As we stand on the brink of a global energy crossroads, our journey begins with an urgent challenge that resounds through the hallways of innovation and whispers in the quiet corners of everyday life. The world's burgeoning appetite for energy outpaces even our most advanced innovations, setting the stage for a narrative of transformation amid the trials faced by the renewable energy sector. Despite the boundless gifts of wind and sun, inefficiencies in harnessing these resources cast long shadows over our clean energy dreams. Yet, it's within these very challenges that the flames of human ingenuity and resilience are kindled, preparing us for a story where complexities of the present beckon forth the solutions of tomorrow. Moving forward, witness the revolutionary fusion of artificial intelligence with renewable technologies as a key to ushering in an era of efficiency, sustainability, and hope. In our strive for sustainability, with escalating energy demands mirroring our aspirations for a cleaner future, artificial intelligence emerges as a visionary ally in the renewable energy landscape. At this era's dawn, marked by persistent challenges, AI shines as a beacon of hope. It optimizes energy production, forecasts maintenance needs, and ensures the reliability of our green power sources through the intricate dance of electrons and the robust churn of wind turbines. This segment of our journey explores how AI algorithms not only transform sunlight into power more efficiently, but also predict the optimal servicing times for wind turbines, averting breakdowns and intelligently managing energy flow. A prologue to a sustainable world where technology and renewable energy synergize to make green power more accessible, reliable, and efficient for everyone. Delving deeper into the wind's power, artificial intelligence marks a revolution in efficiency. Central to this transformation is predictive maintenance, a paradigm shift reshaping the wind energy sphere. Through a compelling case study, we witness how AI's predictive analytics serve as unseen guardians, foreseeing failures and scheduling maintenance proactively. This not only minimizes downtime, but also leads to remarkable cost savings. The success story from a wind farm employing AI for turbine monitoring exemplifies the tangible benefits of this smart integration, promising a path illuminated by today's achievements for tomorrow's innovations. At the heart of our renewable energy journey, artificial intelligence stands as a pivotal ally, especially in enhancing solar panel efficiency. Fields of solar panels, intelligently adjusting in real time to harness the sun's energy more effectively, symbolize achievements not of the future, but of our current reality. AI's role extends far beyond mere optimizers. They are architects of a sustainable future. Through smart adjustments based on weather patterns and the sun's position, these technologies have propelled solar farms to new production heights. This transformative improvement not only optimizes energy capture, but redefines the potential of renewable resources. As our exploration of artificial intelligence within the renewable energy domain concludes, we are ushered into a promising dawn of sustainability and brilliance. AI's transformative role, from predictive maintenance to solar output optimization, has begun addressing today's challenges while casting light on a clean, efficient energy future. The case studies we've journeyed through highlight the profound impact of intelligent integration, reducing downtime and costs while boosting energy production. Yet, this is merely a beginning. Today's innovations call us to continue pushing boundaries, aiming for a sustainable legacy for future generations. Together, we can achieve a future not just bright, but sustainable and inclusive.